When a buyer is buying something off the plans, his biggest concern is that will I get the delivery on time or not? The next concern is will I get a good quality product or not? With both these concerns, with the Supreme Group, we've seen that these are really not the concerns. With so many of their projects which they've delivered in the last few years, their delivery has been before the promised time. So they will say 3 years, they'll deliver in 2.5 years. They'll say 4 years, they deliver in 3.5 years. So when we are proposing or when we are pitching or when we are selling their products, we are so assured ourselves that look, we can tell the buyers that look, these guys will deliver the product before time. They are adding a buffer just to be on the safer side.
So the biggest concern in Mumbai real estate is a trust factor. Trust factor for the client on behalf of the developer and as far as the government regulations are concerned. So there are a lot of delays. So Supreme has helped sorting out this issue is by executing those projects only which they are sure they're going to deliver on time. So anybody buying with Supreme are rest assured that they're going to get their delivery on time.
So we have found in Supreme whatever time period they have given to us, they complete the project before the timeline, and the quality which has been offered, it's excellent, and you get the best of the appreciation when you go for the quality product.
So most important, I think first and foremost, everything that is required in real estate is delivery. So customers are not worried about delivery of the product. So that's very promising, and I think Supreme has delivered so many projects in and around the area. People have seen the kind of delivery Supreme has given, and it's very, I don't need to convince customers. They are very convinced with brand Supreme.
So at least the transactions we've done in a project, Supreme has whatever the commitment was in terms of delivery, they've stuck by it, and they've been usually a little earlier than what was committed.
There are certain things which are not in control in times of COVID and such, but even the commitment levels have been great and have been abided to, and it's been a pleasure.
In under construction, the buyer is unsure about the delivery period, but here at Supreme is the other way around, and they have their own funds. They don't depend on outside agencies or NBFC funding. That is the best part of it, since they are self-sufficient and they don't do over trading. So the buyers are secured as far as these Supreme developers are concerned for timely delivery.